Yeah, I have to make sure this camera's working, because if it's not, then I can't make a video. But I also have to keep it tipped up slightly off of my ears so that I can look through my bifocals, but you can still see what I'm doing. These are my camera glasses I've had for years and years, and I haven't been able to edit any videos off of them lately because for some reason the editing program just shuts off when I try to put a video in the program to edit it. The video just shuts off, the program just shuts down right in the middle of editing. So I haven't been able to edit an actual video from these camera glasses in quite a while. We're going to see if my new video conversion program works to be able to convert the videos to the format that my editing program needs. There we go. Just wanted to open it up a little. That's all. I think I'll grab my umbrella off the bike real quick so I can get a good repair without having to try to shade it so much. I was going to use my regular POV camera, but I gotta be honest, I love being able to just wear my camera with me everywhere I go, my glasses, because if I can make videos with these, I might actually have to buy a new pair of camera glasses in order to make these kind of videos, but because I actually enjoy the audio quality on these camera glasses. Now, I'm not going to buy the beta camera glasses because I've been using these Ohos for years. I've had several different pairs. I might actually have to buy a new pair to be able to do this and be able to look through. And I might have to get my bifocals a little farther up the lenses, you know, a little, because right now the bifocal only goes up about a third of the way, and I might need to get my bifocals to go higher up the lens so that I can look through my bifocals and still be able to see the chip with the camera. That would be very cool. Now, the way I've got my glasses on right now, I have the legs pushed farther up my head. So I basically took my camera and I've tilted them like this so the legs go farther up my head so that I can look through my bifocals and the camera can still see what I'm doing. And we're going to hope that works. I did a test video yesterday. It worked out pretty good, but I couldn't edit the video because, like I said, my editing program won't accept these videos anymore. And that's the issue you run into with editing programs and things. They keep updating the program, the editing program, and they keep updating the programs to not accept video formats from other cameras and things. And it depends on the editing program as well, because sometimes the editing program will only accept like Insta360 videos or Meta, you know, the Meta glasses, the Ray-Ban Meta videos. Or maybe the program will only accept videos from a GoPro or something, and you have to be able to convert the videos in another program. Now, I never had a problem before editing these videos on this program until the recent update. But then again, I haven't used these glasses for video for quite some time now, actually. when I got that Odro camera that goes over my ear, I started using it and pretty much set these aside. But I would really love to be able to just wear these. I might have to upgrade and get the next, upgraded version or whatever, in order for my editing program to accept the videos from the glasses. But the reason I like these glasses is, and I don't know if you can see me in the windshield, they're fairly nice glasses, but the reason I like them is because they're the only frames that I found, the only camera glasses that I found ever, and I've had a bunch of them, that will accept prescription lenses. They're designed to be able to accept prescription lenses. So since they accept prescription lenses, I can actually have my prescription lenses in here, and I can look through the bifocals and do the repair, and they don't get, you'll notice, I don't know if you can see me, you'll notice the lenses don't get as dark as my other prescription glasses. So this is nice because I can still see to do the repair without having to put on my readers. Because I got to tell you, it sucks having to carry 2 pairs of glasses with you everywhere you go, just to be able to do repairs. Now obviously it takes a while for these glasses to lighten up once you go indoors, or say you're in a parking garage or somebody's garage. It takes a while for them to lighten back up. So I do want to keep my readers with me just in case. Like the other day when I was working in that parking garage and I had to use my light, I had to wear my readers because my glasses just weren't going to lighten up in time for me to do that job. I mean, I could have stood there for like 20 minutes and let them lighten up, but the problem you run into there is that you're just taking much longer to do the job, because you're waiting so long for the lenses to lighten up that you're taking forever to get the job done. And that's something I don't want to do either. I want to get there, get the job done, and move on about my day. You know what I mean? And that's what we want to do. I get lots and lots of work in the summertime. I don't get nearly as much work in the wintertime, which is weird because winter is when most people's windshields crack, is in the wintertime, when they're blasting their heaters and things of that nature. So that's usually when most people's windshields crack, but yet most people won't have me do a repair in the wintertime, which is just crazy in my opinion. But we'll do them when they call. That's all that matters, is that we do them when they call. Alright, we're going to put the umbrella. We're going to put that away. And then we're going to let that cure in the sun for a few minutes while we wipe off the rest of the windshield and get all my arm prints and hand prints and umbrella prints and all that stuff off the glass. I'm sure I got arm prints and hand prints all over the windshield. So I'm hoping that my next attempt to convert a video and edit it will work out, because that would just be really cool. I would really love to be able to make videos with these glasses and not have to be concerned about making videos with just the other camera all the time. It would be very nice, but we'll have to see what happens there and take it a day at a time. Like I said, I did a test video the other day and I could not edit it. I did the conversion, I tried to edit it, my editing program just kept shutting down. I mean, not even a second thought. I'd get halfway through editing the video and the program would just close. No warning, no nothing. But I do have to say, sometimes they do that crap when they want you to do another update and you don't update your program because it costs money to update your program, so you don't do it because it's working fine and you want to leave it alone. They take control. And they're like, yeah, we're going to force him to update by shutting his program down every other time he uses it. That'll force him to update it, and we'll get more money. And the problem with that is that it's never really much of an update. It's just a way to force you to pay him again. That's all it is. Just their way of forcing you to pay more to use the program. It's not really an update. Are we cured? I believe we are cured. Alright. Sure don't take long to cure in the sun when you in the summertime. I mean, it's only June, but we have high UV right now, so it does not take very long to cure at all. This one's not invisible. I mean, it's close to invisible. Depends on how you look at it. Yeah, that's actually really nice. I can look at it through the bifocals. I can't even see it from here. So, you know, like I said, the angle and the angle that the sun hits it and stuff make a difference. Alright, we are finished. Now I just have to wait for her to get done with her little walk and come and pay me. So, we're going to call this one good. I'm going to set the, there we go. Now you can see me better. So these glasses, as you can see, they don't get very dark. I'll turn so that you can see. They don't get real dark. And they have the camera right in the center right there, right in the middle. And they're just excellent glasses, and they take my prescription lenses. Now they do have an upgraded version. I might get those if I decide I want to spend another 200 bucks. We'll see. Hopefully I can edit these videos, and if I can, then that works. And if not, I'm probably going to have to upgrade, get a different camera, because I'm not doing this. I would like to just wear these. I can put these lenses in the other frame, so I'm not worried about that. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, click the subscribe button, share the video, and throw me some love.